Hi guys, welcome to my channel. This is Ace on DIY. For today's video, I'm going to show you how to replace a battery for the Toyota Fortuner key fob. So the battery we're going to using is the Energizer. You can find this at any Ace hardware stores. I'm going to show you a closer look what kind of battery you're going to use for this key fob. This one. So the first thing you're going to do is to remove this key right here, okay? And the next one is inside. You can, as you can see, you can find this one. So just put this inside and then turn it, and it will open easily, and you will see this one. So it's supposed to be on this side. Alright. Now you can, and now the battery is here. So this is the battery, guys. So what you're gonna do is just pull this one right here on this side. You can use your nails, yeah, slowly, and then we'll get the new one. It's not easy to open, guys. It's properly sealed. Okay, finally I got it. All right, so here's the battery. Okay, then just return it like this, and it's done. That's it. So thank you for watching, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Ace on DIY here once again. See you in my next vlog.